guys, Josh from Krios Photography here. Welcome to our first video. As you can see, I'm currently at Driverwood Airsoft down in the south of England. There's about 150-ish players on site today. I only stayed for the morning on this one, so I can edit the photos by the evening. The camera I'm using today is a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 70-200mm lens. I find this the perfect lens for Airsoft. I get to get in the action, but I'm not so far I'm going to get constantly shot. Of course I do get shot a little bit, but that's the nature of the sport. So I hope you enjoy the video. It's a bit different to what you might expect from a normal Airsoft channel, so hope you enjoy. There you go, Rob.
Guys, turn it to green. As soon as you keep shooting it to orange, you're not scoring. It's that simple. How you doing? You right?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good thanks.
Oh, just coming to get your pretty photo.
Thank you.
Oh, that's gorgeous, that is.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
Boys on me.
Coming to you.
Yeah. They're on my 12, mate, by the chopper. Left side. Also on my left here.
You get your own little mini photo shoot.
Thank you. I appreciate it very dearly.
So do I when you pay my mortgage.
12 o'clock you say, Luke?
Yeah, on my left somewhere, mate.
Yeah. What?
Like left in the woods to the left.
Yeah, yeah. What, off the Sea King, yeah?
Yeah, no fucking idea where. Left side?
Boo. Do you know where to find the photo?
No.
Oh, guess what?
Guess what? You got a card for me.
I have a card for you.
Cheers, mate.
So
Thank you.
literally just scan that QR code and it'll take you straight to the galleries for this site.
Cheers, mate.
Peace, and they'll be up by about 10 o'clock tonight.
There are cards for that, did you say?
Oh yeah. Look out, I'm organised, you see.
I know.
Cheers, brother. What? Yeah, you can scan it, yeah.
Quick, in the cover.
No, there you go.
Bosh.
I was going to say, every time we come so lately, we seem to have managed to miss the days that the photographer's actually here on.
I come every Sunday.
Giggity giggity, giggity goo. Stick around.
I don't know if the tower's clear now. I don't know if somebody wants to make a
There's still, I reckon someone in bushes behind it.
Just on the tower at the left, there's a guy popping out.
Running across you.
Tick, tick, boom.
Are you ready to get us?
Oh, I can get you some photos. Go on, just stay there. There you go. Oh, is it? Oh, it's just you?
No, with him, if that's all right.
Oh yeah, of course. There you go.
Cheers, dude.
No worries. Do you know where to find them?
Yeah, I've bought some before.
Perfect.
Sweet, so good.
Much appreciated. Go on, don't look all tactical. Do you know how to find the photos?
What is it? Word up.
Scan that QR code with your phone and take you straight to the galleries.
Okay, alright, cheers.
No worries.
Thank you.
Of course I have another one, look at this. Yeah, so just scan that QR code with your phone and take you straight to the galleries. They'll be up about 10 o'clock tonight.
Alright, thanks.
I did just get a good one of you as well.
Thank you.
No worries.
I think we need a photo as well.
There we go. Alright, tuck in a little bit closer. There it is. Perfect. Tick, tick, boom. Do you know where to find it?
Yeah.
Cool.
I've already got bought some last week.
That's what I like to hear. You pay my mortgage.
Yeah, exactly. My dad very likes the photos of me and him.
25 minutes remaining, go.
Oh, if you want to. Oh, do you know where to find it? Oh, guess what? I have a card with your name on it.
Kind of like the other lad where it's got a waterprint tag, is it?
So literally all you got to do, scan that code on your phone and take you to the gallery.
Perfect, thank you.
No worries. They'll be up by like 10 o'clock-ish tonight.
I will be setting the mortar off later, so if you need any pictures.
Oh, I don't need pictures, it's you that needs them.
Ooh, burn!
I have plenty.
Got it?
Oh, there we go.
Looks like the gang sign for you, mate.
Whoop. Perfect. The fur. There it is.
Beautiful, huh?
You know where to find it?
One out to there, a bit later on.
That's definitely ending up on the YouTube, isn't it? Turn around. Look pretty. There you go.
Brad's already there, follow.
Quick pose. Beautiful. Quick pose. Still very quick. There you go. Thank you. Quick pose.
One for the ladies. Guys, should we push that way?
How's you as well, Gon?
We'll just go around and see how far we're dominant now on this field. Yeah? Because I reckon...
Ah, beautiful. There it is. Money shot.
We're in this.
Oh, don't fall over. Oh, no. Oh, he got fucked there, didn't he? Didn't get a good photo though, so that sucks. Oh, you're dead. Oh, no, you're dead.
Get your hands in gear! Cigarette break! Who did I hit my friend then? Oh, sorry.
Ready? I've got the left foot first, yeah?
Tactical advance, go!
I know! Because I'm going to the box! Yeah, thanks, go!
Oh, hold up for nothing.
You got a photo out of it.
Hey. You want that one?
Smile. Okay, now look tactical. Even better. Go and aim at a tree. Aim at that tree there. You better purchase that one. That's glorious. Do you know where to find them?
On Facebook?
I am a professional.
Awesome, thank
If you scan that QR code, they'll be up by like 10 o'clock tonight. I saw that pose.
We're up by the bridge, it's hard up there.
You're like, oh, right, let me get to a better spot. Oh. Beautiful, done. There it is.
Cameraman.
Oh, he moved before I got it. Go back. Yeah.
Don't fucking do it, you cunt. He's gonna do it. I know he will.
There you go.
Yeah, I owe you a bullet. I definitely owe you a bullet.
Me,
You got me in the hit.
I did it on.
You'll catch one.
Do you know where to find the photos? Do you know where to find them?
Yes, I'll always look online, mate. Thank you.
Perfect.
They're good photos, mate.
Much appreciated.